The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for Harrison County in southeastern Mississippi until 6 o'clock in Central Daylight Time. At 5:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornado was located over Lyman, or 7 miles west of Gulfport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Gulfport, Lyman, and Biloxi around 5:15 a.m. CDT. Other locations impacted a tornadic thunderstorm include Gulfport Airport. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to the basement or interior room on the lowest floor with sturdy building.
Created using Powtoon.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northern Scott County in southeast Missouri until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chaffee and moving east at 45 miles per hour. A funnel cloud was reported near Chaffee by trained storm spotters. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kelso and Benton around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is an extremely life-threatening situation. Other locations in the warning include Lambert and Commerce. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.